Welcome to this edition of Tire Friday here at Moto Exotica. What we're in is a really nice, all-original 78 Trans Am. Almost 40 years ago, I had one new, right? 1978 was the year I got a special edition gold Trans Am for my 19th birthday. Gotta love it, right? Great, Dad. Thanks, Dad. This car is immaculate. It's got the original interior, original paint. The doors don't sag. The handles aren't broken. These cars used to fall apart right before your very eyes. It's highly optioned, and even better, mine was an automatic. This is a 4-speed. Let's see what she'll do. It's Friday.